because so apparently I think what they are doing right now is they are trying to maintenance up. I think maybe got some leakage out or what. So that's why they need to clear off the entire dome. The dome is actually gold plated.
This one is the, what's the name already?
Jame Asri. It's on the $10 note.
Oh, okay.
The $10 note, you will see this picture. Jame Asri, Hassanil, Bolkiah Mosque. It's named after the current Sultan. The Omar Ali is the one in Bandar one. The one is the Sultan's father. So this is named after the Sultan. Right, okay. So you can see this is a very rare site.
Gold plated, right?
Yeah, gold plated. So this is Garong, heart of Garong. And then so far, this is the largest mosque in Brunei. It's the largest mosque in Brunei. The largest mosque. Larger than the Omar Ali Saifuddin.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the largest one.
Is it like still used?
Yeah, of course it's still used.
Just at the moment still renovating.
It's renovating. They are trying to remove it and then fix it like that. It's the largest mosque. Maybe one day we go inside because now today
no problem.
So,
next time.
One day we can go inside one actually.
Can.